Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English in Daily Life with Mr. Bond. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. We're happy you're here with us today. Wherever you are, at home, on the bus, cooking, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we talk about something very powerful, something that can change your English fast,
Something that helps you speak more naturally and more confidently.
and something many students dream about learning to think in English.
Many English learners say, I translate in my head, or I speak slowly because I must think first.
Don't worry. Today, we will show you how to stop translating and how to start thinking in English with simple, friendly steps.
We will share a longer story, real examples, useful techniques, and daily practices you can start today.
So, take a deep breath
Relax your shoulders.
and let's learn together. When you think in English, speaking becomes easier, much easier.
Your brain works faster because it does not translate every word. Translation creates delay.
And sometimes translation creates funny or strange sentences like, I have cold. I am cold.
When you think in English, you improve your speaking, confidence, listening, pronunciation, speed, fluency, comfort with real conversations.
Let me tell you a longer story about one of my students. Her name is Mira. She was shy, quiet, and always nervous when speaking English. Every time she tried to speak, she paused. She waited. And sometimes she froze.
One day, Anna asked her, Mira, why do you stop so much when you speak?
And she said,
Teacher, I am translating everything.
my brain is tired. I think in my language first. Then I change it to English. It is slow, and I feel scared. I smiled and told her, okay, let's change this slowly.
So they created a plan, a very simple plan.
Every morning, she described her room in English.
Just 20 to 30 seconds.
My room is small. My bed is soft. The window is open. Simple. Natural.
Every afternoon, she talked to herself in English for 1 minute. No pressure, no grammar focus. Just soft, simple English.
And every night, she wrote 3 very simple sentences. Today, I worked. I feel tired. I will sleep early.
Small steps. No stress, no complicated grammar.
After 2 months, Mira came to class and said, Teacher, English feels soft now, not heavy. Her speaking became smoother. Her pauses became shorter. Her confidence became bigger.
And you can do the same. Slowly, gently, every day. Let's talk about common mistakes that stop learners from thinking in English. Mistake 1, translating everything. If you translate every word, your brain gets tired. It cannot switch to English mode. Mistake 2, thinking too much about grammar. Grammar's important, but not first. Thinking too much about grammar slows you down. Even native speakers make small grammar mistakes. Mistake 3, fear of mistakes. Fear stops practice, but practice creates progress. Mistakes are not the enemy. Mistakes are teachers. Mistake 4, no English exposure. If you only hear English once a week, your brain cannot think in English. You need English around you daily, in small amounts.
Technique 1. Name things around you. Look around right now. Say the names quietly or in your mind. Chair, keys, window, mug, bag, phone. This trains your brain to connect objects with English directly. No translation. Technique 2, talk to yourself. Describe small actions. I'm cooking. I'm washing my hands. I'm opening the door. I'm feeling hungry. Talking to yourself is powerful and private. No pressure.
Technique 3, use English to English dictionary. This trains you to think inside the language. Example, excited, feeling very happy and eager.
Technique 4, think in short sentences first. Don't try long ideas. Start simple. I need water. I am hungry. I feel cold. I want rest. Simple thoughts, fast progress.
Technique 5, English inner voice. Ask yourself questions in English. What time is it? What should I do first? How do I feel right now? What will I eat later?
Technique 6, surround yourself with English. Listen to English podcasts, short videos, simple stories, slow conversation lessons, read easy texts. Immerse yourself little by little. Here are friendly habits to make English thinking automatic. Morning English thought. When you wake up, say, "Today is Wednesday. I will go to work. I feel okay." Just 20 seconds, but powerful. 30-minute, no translation zone. For 30 minutes each day, only English in your mind. If you can't say something, simplify it.
Talk aloud for 1 to 2 minutes. While cooking or cleaning, I'm making tea. It smells good. I will drink it soon. Use English during activities. Walking, cleaning, cooking, showering. Think simple English sentences. Attach English to daily life. Keep a simple English journal. Write 3 to 4 sentences every night. You will see progress in 1 month. Section 5. Review and shadowing practice expanded. Repeat after us, slowly and clearly.
I can think in English.
I take small steps every day.
I don't need perfect grammar.
I learn through practice.
English can be part of my day.
I am improving.
Great job. Shadowing helps you copy rhythm, speed, and pronunciation.
Thinking in English takes time, but every small step helps you grow.
You don't need long sentences. You don't need perfection. You only need practice. Soft, simple, daily practice.
Tell us in the comments, which technique will you try today?
Thank you for learning with us today. Remember, even 5 minutes is progress.
See you in the next episode, and keep practicing every day.